Okay guys, so here's our room here in 𝗢𝗢𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞 Suites. Okay, so we're having the white room. Okay, as what you can see, the room is very neat and clean. Okay, I love the minimalist design. Okay, and the best part of this room is the view. I really love the design, guys. It's minimalist, it's clean, it's neat. Okay, so the bed looks comfortable. Okay, and there are also side tables there. If you are bringing work here in Tagaytay, specifically here in Raffi Suites, so they have a work area here. Okay. And of course, the room is air conditioned, and it also comes with an LCD TV here. And there's a lunch area. Okay, so here's the lunch area. Okay, you can sit here, relax while watching TV, or simply enjoy the beautiful view of Taal from your room. The room also comes with a dinette set. Okay, so there's the dinette set. Okay. So here's the white room here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞 Suites here in Tagaytay. So if you love cooking, you can cook here. Okay. So microwave oven is provided, as well as an electric kettle. So they do have also a French press here, so if you love coffee. And they also provide the complimentary coffee here, 𝗢𝗔𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞, American blend. And you can cook here, guys. So there's an induction here, okay? And they also do provide utensils here. There's a frying pan, there's a pot, okay, there are plates there, and there are bowls. Spoon and forks are provided, as well as knives, then mugs, okay, glasses, okay, and there's also a personal refrigerator here, okay, and here's the safe deposit box. There's a mini sink here. Okay, so far, guys, we really love this room. Okay, it's very neat, it's very clean. Okay, you can message them on their Facebook page. Just search for 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞 Suites. Okay, if you want to book this room. Let's also check out the toilet and bath. So here's the toilet and bath here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞 Suites. It's nice. Okay, the toilet and bath is clean, and there's a rain shower. This has hot and cold shower as well. So I'll show you the view outside our room. So here's our balcony here in 𝗢𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗞 Suites, and there's the view.